PayPal, a major digital payment platform, processes billions of transactions. A declined payment can be frustrating. In 2026, these declines often stem from security measures, account issues, or technical problems. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and fixing these errors, referencing the latest updates and data. Several reasons can trigger a payment decline in PayPal transactions. Common causes include insufficient funds, suspect fraud leading to security holds, expired cards, incorrect billing details, account verification failures, and platform-specific limits like daily spending caps. Let's examine each of these key reasons in detail. First, insufficient funds occur when your linked bank account or PayPal balance doesn't have enough money to cover the transaction. This is one of the most common reasons for declines, often resulting in overdraft fees or returned checks. Second, suspected fraud triggers security holds. PayPal's advanced AI systems monitor for unusual activity, like transactions from unfamiliar locations or unusually large amounts. These protective measures prevent unauthorized access, but can sometimes decline legitimate purchases. Third, expired cards are a frequent cause of declines. If a credit or debit card linked to your PayPal account has passed its expiration date, the payment processor cannot authorize the transaction. Always check and update card information regularly. Fourth, incorrect billing details can cause declines. This happens when information like billing address, name, or other details don't match between your PayPal account and the linked payment method. Address verification services help prevent fraud but require accurate data. Fifth, account verification failures occur when PayPal cannot confirm your identity or account details. Unverified accounts face higher decline rates, especially for larger transactions. Completing verification with proper documentation helps ensure smooth payments. Finally, platform-specific limits can cause declines. These include daily spending caps, transaction amount limits, or restrictions based on your account type or location. Regulatory requirements and risk assessments also play a role in setting these boundaries. PayPal has made significant advancements in preventing payment declines, focusing on advanced technology to improve security and user experience. PayPal's AI-driven fraud detection system analyzes transactions in real time, using machine learning to identify suspicious patterns and reduce declined payments by 25% compared to 2024. Biometric authentication, including facial recognition and fingerprint scanning, provides a more secure way to verify users, minimizing the risk of unauthorized transactions. Blockchain-based tokenization replaces sensitive payment information with secure tokens, enhancing overall security and reducing the likelihood of data breaches. While these advancements improve security, the growth in cross-border e-commerce introduces challenges like currency fluctuations and regulatory differences that can still lead to payment declines. PayPal's error codes provide clues about the decline's cause. Common codes include 1001 for general decline, 12200 for insufficient funds, and 1201 for account locked. Check the error message for specifics, as PayPal's 2026 interface offers hyperlinked troubleshooting guides. The first step is to confirm your PayPal account status. Ensure your account is verified by linking a bank account or credit card. Unverified accounts face higher decline rates. Check for any notifications or alerts from PayPal regarding your account. Step 2 focuses on updating billing information. Expired or incorrect billing details are common reasons for payment declines. First, verify that your credit card details are current, including the expiration date and security code. To help locate these details, here's a visual breakdown of a typical credit card showing where to find the expiration date and other key features. For the security code, this image shows exactly where to find it on different card types, typically a 3-digit code on the back for Visa and MasterCard. Finally, double-check your billing address to ensure it exactly matches the address on your card statement. This statement example shows how the billing address appears on your account summary. Updating these details in your PayPal account can prevent many decline issues. PayPal may place a hold on your account due to disputes, suspected unauthorized activity, or security concerns. This is a security measure to protect both you and the platform. Common reasons for holds include unresolved disputes with sellers or buyers, unusual transaction patterns that trigger security flags, or verification issues with your account. To check for holds, look for notifications in your PayPal app or email. These will clearly indicate if your account is on hold and provide details about the reason. PayPal provides guides for handling disputes, which can help you understand the resolution process and get your funds released. You can also check your account settings to review access and limits, ensuring there are no hidden holds affecting your transactions. It's important to resolve any outstanding issues or disputes promptly. This will help release your funds and restore full access to your PayPal account. When your primary payment method is declined, switching to an alternative option can often resolve the issue quickly. PayPal allows you to use different credit cards or linked bank accounts as backup payment methods. Always verify that your chosen alternative has enough funds or available credit before attempting the transaction. Common alternatives include switching to a different credit card if the first one is declined due to insufficient funds or limits. You can also use a linked bank account for direct transfers, which often bypasses card-specific issues. According to recent data, debit cards are the most popular payment method at 49%, followed by credit cards at 28% and bank transfers at 17%. Having multiple options linked to your PayPal account ensures you can complete transactions even if one method fails. Step 5 focuses on contacting the recipient or seller. Sometimes the payment decline is due to issues on their end with their PayPal account or payment processing. Reach out to them directly to check if they're experiencing any problems. They might need to update their account settings or contact PayPal support for assistance. Enhance your PayPal account security by enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection beyond just your password, significantly reducing the risk of unauthorized access and potential payment declines. Two-factor authentication requires two forms of verification: something you know, like your password, and something you have, like your phone or an authenticator app. To enable 2FA in PayPal, go to your account settings and look for the Security or Privacy section. Here's a visual guide showing the process. PayPal offers SMS-based two-factor authentication, where you receive a verification code via text message to your registered phone number. This is simple and doesn't require additional apps. For enhanced security, use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. These generate time-based codes without needing cell service, and the setup involves scanning a QR code or entering a manual code. Once enabled, every login will require both your password and the second factor. This process significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access and helps prevent payment declines due to security concerns. Regularly monitor your PayPal account activity for any suspicious transactions or unauthorized activity. Check your transaction history frequently and look for unusual patterns, such as unexpected payments or withdrawals you don't recognize. If you spot any fraudulent activity, report it to PayPal immediately through their Security Center or Resolution Center. This helps prevent further losses and can resolve potential payment declines caused by security concerns. Be cautious of phishing scams, where fraudsters try to trick you into revealing your PayPal login details or clicking malicious links. Always verify sender emails and avoid clicking suspicious links that could lead to fake PayPal sites. For comprehensive fraud prevention, review PayPal's fraud reporting process and enable additional security features in your account settings. PayPal's Express Checkout feature helps merchants reduce payment declines by making the checkout process simpler for buyers. Express Checkout allows buyers to complete purchases quickly using their PayPal account without needing to re-enter payment details each time. This feature simplifies the checkout process and minimizes errors, leading to fewer declined payments for online stores. The process typically involves a few simple steps. Buyers select items, click Express Checkout, log into PayPal, and confirm payment. This streamlined flow reduces the chance of errors that cause payment declines. Behind the scenes, Express Checkout uses secure API calls to verify buyers and process payments efficiently. By enabling Express Checkout, merchants can enjoy faster transactions, reduced payment declines, and an improved shopping experience for their customers. PayPal's Smart Decline Resolution leverages advanced AI and machine learning to transform how payment declines are handled. This system uses predictive analytics to analyze patterns in transaction data, identifying high confidence transactions that can be approved preemptively. By predicting potential issues before they occur, it prevents unnecessary declines that might frustrate users. The predictive analytics system examines factors like transaction history, user behavior, and risk patterns to make smart decisions. This approach has led to a 30% reduction in support tickets as users experience fewer payment interruptions. Similar to how machine learning models approve loan applications by analyzing credit scores and risk factors, PayPal's system evaluates payment data in real time to ensure smooth transactions. This integration of AI and machine learning represents a significant advancement in payment processing, making transactions more reliable and user-friendly. PayPal's integration of stablecoins like USD Coin in 2024 has helped decrease payment declines related to volatile currencies. However, make sure your crypto wallet verification remains current to prevent any new problems. Regulatory compliance is crucial for digital payments. One key requirement is KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. This process verifies your identity and prevents fraud by collecting personal information. The U.S. Digital Assets Act of 2025 mandates enhanced KYC checks for digital assets and cryptocurrencies. This law aims to bring clarity and regulation to the crypto space, but it can lead to payment declines if your account isn't fully compliant with these new requirements. To avoid declines, ensure your PayPal account complies with all regulatory requirements. Create a customer acceptance policy, deploy identification programs, and consider pre-KYC screening. Keeping your account compliant helps smooth transactions. During Black Friday 2025, merchants using PayPal's Instant Approval feature, which uses AI-based pre-verification, saw a 50% lower decline rate compared to standard methods. This highlights the value of proactive tools. Cross-border payments in India and Southeast Asia have seen a significant increase in declines, primarily due to currency conversion fees and regulatory caps imposed by local governments. Regulatory positions across Southeast Asia vary, with some countries having more permissive approaches to cryptocurrencies and payments, while others impose strict caps that can lead to payment declines. The resolution often involves using PayPal's multi-currency wallet, which allows holding and converting multiple currencies without triggering decline-causing fees or caps. Understanding exchange rates is crucial for cross-border payments. PayPal's wallet helps manage these rates effectively, converting currencies at favorable times to minimize declines. Regional adaptations are crucial in Asia, where PayPal has tailored its multi-currency features to comply with local regulations, significantly reducing decline rates for users in these markets. Fintech analyst Sarah Chen from Gartner emphasizes the importance of account hygiene for avoiding PayPal payment declines. She states that while PayPal's 2026 AI overhaul is a game changer, users must prioritize keeping their account information updated and monitoring it regularly. Account hygiene means maintaining your PayPal account properly. First, keep your information updated, such as billing addresses and payment methods. Second, monitor your transactions and account activity regularly to detect any unusual behavior early and prevent potential declines. By practicing good account hygiene, users can prevent payment declines and enhance their overall security on the platform. PayPal maintains 28 million active accounts worldwide, according to 2025 data. Declines impact 5 to 10% of transactions, up from 8% in 2023. A 2025 survey found 62% of U.S. users faced declines, with insufficient funds as the top issue at 45%. Resolution success has improved to 75% through self-service tools, up from 50% in 2024. Fraud-related declines have decreased 22% since 2024, thanks to biometric technology. Projections show fintech declines halving by 2030 with AI, potentially saving $50 billion annually in lost transactions. Looking ahead to future trends, Experts predict a significant reduction in payment declines through advanced technologies like quantum resistant encryption and zero trust architectures. Quantum resistant encryption uses mathematical algorithms that can withstand attacks from quantum computers, which could otherwise break traditional encryption and cause security declines. Zero trust architectures assume no transaction is inherently trustworthy, requiring verification for every access attempt. This approach minimizes fraudulent declines by continuously monitoring activity. Real-time risk scoring systems evaluate transactions instantly using AI to assess risk factors, allowing for proactive approval and fewer unnecessary declines. By 2028, PayPal aims to achieve nearly decline-free transactions through these integrated systems, with potential integration into central bank digital currencies for even more secure and seamless payments. By understanding the common causes of payment declines, utilizing PayPal's advanced tools, and maintaining good account hygiene, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering this issue. Stay informed about the latest updates and security measures to ensure seamless transactions.